Hello students, today we are going to see 12th standard business maths chapter 4 differential equations, that is exercise 4.2. First question, solve. dy by dx is equal to a e power y. Separating the variables method, we have to separate the variables first, x and y. After that we have to integrate and get the answer. First separating the variables. Separating the variables, we will get dy by e power y is equal to a into dx. dy by e power y is equal to a dx. Now we have to integrate this one. This e power y goes into the numerator. We will get e power minus y into dy is equal to a is the constant and dx. Now we have to integrate this two. We will get e power minus y into dy. We will get minus e power minus y because minus 1 is there. So we have to minus e power minus y is equal to a into x plus c. So what is the answer? This is minus goes that side. We will get ax plus e power minus y plus c is equal to 0. Can you understand, students? The second question, 1 plus x squared divided by 1 plus y is equal to xy into dy by dx. Now we have to separate the variables. So separating the variables, we will get 1 plus y. Here y is there. So comes this side. We will get same side x variables and another side in the y variables. So 1 plus x squared divided by x into dx. X by dx, dx by x. So that is equal to y into dy, that is 1 plus y goes that side. We will get 1 plus y into dy. Now we have to divide this one 1 by x. So 1 by x plus x. X squared by x, 1x cancel. So 1 by x plus x into dx is equal to, multiply this one, we will get y plus y squared into dy. Now we have to integrate this one. Integral of 1 by x and 1 by x into dx. And separate you have to integrate. So integrate this one. We will get integral of 1 by x into dx plus integral of x into dx is equal to integral of y into dy plus integral of y squared into dy. Now we integrate, we will get 1 by x is the value of log x plus x value x squared by 2. So that is equal to y into dy, y squared by 2 and plus y squared into dy, y cubed by 3 plus c is the answer. Can you understand? The third question, solve y into dx minus x into dy. Now separating the variables, we get y into dx means y dx by dx. First you have to change into y dx is equal to x dy. Now we have to change dx by x. Dx by x is equal to dy by y. Now we integrate dx by x is equal to integral of dy by y. What is the answer for integration? After integration, this is log x is equal to here log y plus log c. And log x is equal to, this is product value. So log cy. We have to take as log of cy. So if we remove log cancel means x is equal to cy is the answer. The second one, dy by dx plus e power x plus y e power x is equal to 0. Now we have to change into dy by dx is equal to minus e power x minus y e power x. We have to take as a common value for minus e power x into here 1 plus y. So after that we have to separate the variables. So dy divided by 1 plus y is equal to minus e power x into dx. Now we have to integrate this one. We will get integrating of dy by 1 plus y is equal to integrating of minus e power x into dx. This is log of 1 plus y is equal to minus e power x plus c. This is the answer. The next question, fourth one, solve cos x into 1 plus cos y into dx minus sin y into 1 plus sin y into dy is equal to 0. First you have to change this minus into plus right hand side. So cos x into 1 plus cos y into dx is equal to sin y into 1 plus sin y into dy. So the next step we have to simplify separating the variables. We will get cos x into dx here, and here 1 plus sin y. So that is 1 plus sin x. Here 1 plus sin x, sorry. Here sin x and here sin x. So 1 plus divided by 1 plus sin x is equal to sin y dy divided by 1 plus cos y. So now we separated the variables. Now we have to integrate on both sides. We will get, this is integration and we have to integrate it. After separating the variables, we have to integrate this term. So 1 plus sin x. So put 1 plus sin x is equal to t. And here also put 1 plus cos y is equal to s. And here cos x dx is equal to dt. Here minus sin y, cos y differentiation, minus sin y into dy is equal to ds. So instead of that you have to substitute here. What we will get? Cos x into dx dt divided by t. And here sin y into dy minus ds divided by s, because here minus is there. So substitute in this integration. Integral of dt divided by t is equal to minus integral of ds by s. So integrate, we will get log t is equal to minus log s plus log c. So log t minus means you have to take this is as c by s. So log t is equal to log of c by s. So log cancel. So t is equal to c by s. So therefore t is equal to c by s. So what is t? That is 1 plus sin x. So 1 plus sin x is equal to c divided by 1 plus cos y. 1 by cos y. So c divided by 1 plus cos y. Now we have to take as 1 plus sin x into 1 plus cos y is equal to c. 1 plus sin x into 1 plus cos y is equal to c is the answer. Can you understand, students? The next one, solve 1 minus x into dy minus 1 plus y into dx is equal to 0. Now we have to change 1 minus x into dy is equal to 1 plus y into dx is equal to 0. Now we have to separate the variables. We will get dy divided by 1 plus y is equal to dx divided by 1 minus x. So now we have to integrate these two. We will get log of 1 plus y is equal to, First you have to separate the variables. So dy by 1 plus y is equal to dx by 1 minus x. Now next step we have to integrate this two. We will get, this is the answer for integration of dy by 1 plus y. Log of 1 plus y is equal to log of 1 minus x divided by minus 1 plus log c. So the next step, log of 1 plus y, this minus comes this side, we will get plus log of 1 minus x is equal to log c. And then we have to take as the product. So log of 1 plus y into 1 minus x is equal to log c. So if we remove the log, we will get 1 plus y into 1 minus x is equal to c is the answer. Can you understand, students? Thank you, students. Thank you for listening. We will see the next exercise in the next class. Thank you.